You are very, very welcome to the live stream. We are going to be trading. We are going to be trading prop farms. I'm setting up TikTok right now so that we have other people joining. I do stream live on TikTok and YouTube. So yeah. Hello, hello. We are live. Alrighty. We are here. I'm excited to be here today. But I hope you guys are good, man. I hope everyone is good this Wednesday evening. It is a beautiful, beautiful Wednesday evening. And of course, we are going to be here for a while talking about trading. One of my favorite topics to talk about on the planet. Yep. Thank you for those that have started liking the stream. You are early, which is very, very good. I'm glad that you're early. But we are going to look at some different pairs, actually. But what gold has been doing, of course, it has been dropping for a while. So we are going to draw some lines and see if they coordinate to what it was doing before. Okay. Anybody with questions, I'll be waiting for you guys. But remember to like the stream. Do not forget to like the stream because that is also important. How have you guys been? Tell me. How is your Wednesday? Mine has been okay so far. No problemo. But yeah, we are back. We are back with another episode of the live stream. And the World Cup is starting tomorrow. The World Cup begins tomorrow with Mexico versus South Africa. I think it is a replication of what happened in 2010. Is that GBP USD? No, it's XAU USD. That is XAU USD, my friend. I hope you're doing good, man. Crazy coolers. Those that are following the creator, we appreciate very much. Please go ahead and like the stream. Amanya, how have you been, man? Amanya John Mary, I hope you've been good, my friend. Crazy coolers is good. I've also been okay. It is a slow trading month, but I've been all right. Yeah, I'm glad all of us have been good. Which time frame is this? This is the 15 minutes, my friend. It is the 15. But I hope you're doing good. So, man, gold has really dropped, eh? Gold has dropped a lot, a lot. Been off, just came back. Where have you been, Amanya? What do you mean you've been off? Like, where have you been? Did you go to the village? I'm late. The last hour. No, you're not late, bruh. You're early, actually. We have just started the live stream. But shout out to the people on YouTube. I appreciate you. If you can like the stream, that will be wonderful. Leave a like, actually. What pair be this? This is XAU USD, bro. But I hope everyone is doing good. Today is a Wednesday. It's the 10th. Today is Wednesday, 10th of June. Oh, Amanya went to the village for a week. Now back on the chats. Welcome back, bro. The chats missed you. The chats really missed you. Someone is asking if they can sell NAS. Let me see what NQ is doing. Okay. Man, I don't know what your analysis is saying, but you have to be careful. S&P 500. Bro, the pairs are very confusing right now. So, but anyway, my friend passed phases and is waiting payout. You're rooting for him. Wow, he passed both the phases. He really did good, man. Which account size is it? And is now waiting for a payout. That is wonderful. Congratulations to your friend. Getting a payout is not easy. But the moment you get it, things become better. Things change. You see things clearly. It's a 5K account. That is wonderful, bro. It is so good. He will get 4%. So good, man. Congratulations to him. Tell him one time to come on this live stream, because it is the live stream of funded traders, people who are going to make payouts, and make them consistently. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for 5 years, coming to 6. 5 years coming to 6. That's a step, getting paid. Yeah, it is a very good step, actually. If your friend was able, because is it the same friend that had traded, and made the 60K, then he blew it on gold? Is it that same friend? I hope it's the one, but that is wonderful. John Mary. Now it is your turn to make a payout, bro. We celebrate for our friends and also we clap for them. Then also our turn comes. How is my day going? Madison, how are you, bro? My day is all right. I can't complain. I thank God. How is your day? How has your Wednesday been, Madison? Because I'm interested in knowing how each of you's days went. Like crazy colors, tell me how your day went. Madison, how did your day go? For Amanya, I know he was in the village and now he's back on the charts. He's the guy, went back to indices and things are fine. Bro, actually, most people just love to be on gold, but you can go to indices and do very, very well. Me, I have been making payouts. He started of me. Oh, he copied you. So for you, you're very good. That is wonderful, John Mary. It's really good. Do you do face-to-face mentorship? What do you mean face-to-face? Like, I meet you and Nana, I don't do that. Like meeting like in my office and we do mentorship, I don't do that. Are you are you about to analyze? I finished doing my analysis long time ago. Just passed my 5K phase one funding pips in 3 days. And now second phase, I'm 79% to complete its day four. What do you mean 17? You mean like you're 7%? No. To complete phase two, you just make like, is it 5% of the account? I don't understand what you mean by 79%. My day has been good. Sold Euro NZ, made some money on prop, and also made cash on card and the franc this week. Oh, congratulations. I'm glad you guys are making money. That is the best thing. Bro, Amazon is giving like crazy. Anyone who trades stocks, please go look at it. Oh, you trade stocks? On what platform, Madison? On what platform do you trade the stocks? Ah, someone is calling me, but I'm not able to answer because I'm using my phone to do the live stream. So, Mr. Joseph, how did you pass KYC with funding pips? Uh, I've not passed KYC with funding pips. I was getting payouts from other prop firms. But there is someone who has done KYC in Uganda, and what they told me is they went and used, if you pay any tax to URA, there is that receipt they give you. There is a receipt of paper they give you that you can use that for your KYC, bruh. Yeah, I'll make a video. I think I'll make a video about it because a lot of Ugandans pass the challenges, but when it gets to KYC, it becomes a problem, right? Like you can't get verification because the bank statements here do not have a location, a home address. So that is very tough. Someone is asking about pocket options. I don't know. I can't. No, like it is okay to use a bank statement, right? But the problem with bank statements is some of them don't have like a location, a home address. Considering ID expired, man, if your ID is expired now, I don't know how they are going to do it. Someone is asking how to swing trade. Someone uses the pocket option, so they're advising this guy. Pocket broker bring profits. That was the question. I meant I completed so far profit target of 79%. Bro, of general 5. Oh, you completed like, okay, now I get you. Of all account for now, 86 to go. Now I get you. Like you have completed like 79% of the profit target. I was confused. I thought of the account, bro. But congratulations. Now make sure you get to the finishing line. That is also very important, guys. Because what is the point of you? Yeah, the whole point is you getting to the finishing line and then making a payout. We want to come here and a lot of you will be saying, I just asked for a payout. I did this. My payout is coming in 5 days. And my number is right there. My number is right there. If you want to ask me personal questions, if you want to learn from me, the number is on the screen. So you can send me a WhatsApp and then we can talk. You have payouts from which prop firm? I have a couple from FTMO. I have from FundedNext and Got Funded. Those are the ones I've had payouts from. Can you advise someone to go for Atlas Funding prop firm because they have pay after pass? Are they legit? So most prop firms are legit. Even Atlas Funded could be good. I've not used it. I think I've used it. No, I used Aqua Funded before, but they could be okay. You have to try and find out. Beth Lois, I saw a video of you and then I saw you were live and now I'm here. Thank you very much, my friend, for coming live. I appreciate you, Beth Louie. Beth Louie. I saw your Spain to World Cup video. Yes, guys, I'm making those videos like countries that are going to World Cup. And you can request for your countries and I'll make the videos after. If your country made it to the World Cup. If you see my page, yeah. Thanks, bro. I'm a gold trader like you. Yeah, I love trading gold actually. I like gold a lot because it rewards and it does take sometimes, but if you trade it well, it will reward you. I hope that ES drops to yesterday's low. It plans to do that. Can I do England, please? I'll do it after here. England to the World Cup. It's your strategy. Which strategy do you use? First tell us. You guys saying it is your strategy. What strategy is that? But most of the pairs, you know, the indices, most of them are just dropping. I want to learn Forex. I have my 800K investment. Good for you, bro. You should learn. You should learn and see how to grow that. Teach us a strategy you use in trading gold. I always teach my strategy to my students, guys. Amazing places. I do teach the strategy, but it is just normal trend lines. But then there are things you have to add in it. I swing trade with stocks. But Madison, I've asked you what pair you use to trade those stocks. What app? Let me call it an app. What app do you use to trade stocks? We are interested. Anchored, how are you today? You've decided to come early. We appreciate you for being here. But I hope you guys are doing good. Today is just a normal Wednesday evening. It's just a normal Wednesday evening. We've looked at the market and it has dropped for a while. It has continued on its drop. Ask him about the broker too. Mugabe, I'm good. Where have you been, man? Mugabe, where have you been? It has been a very long time. Gold was confusing at first, then I pulled the chart on 3 months. It will drop to 3,500. Yeah, it could continue dropping, bro. It hasn't showed any signs of, reversing. It has not shown signs of coming back, so it could continue. And now if you are trying to catch these other moves, smaller moves of retracements, you could be in for a lot of trouble. Mugabe, where are you nowadays? First tell us. I have been there, but when I tried looking, you're live, but at times I don't get it. Why don't you get it? You know the time we come live. Eh? You're still in Kasese. Okay, shout out to the people of Kasese. We appreciate you. You analyze on TradingView and your broker is okay, XNES Pro account, not standard. Okay, I see. Maybe there you can trade stocks for sure. Now that is possible. But it is okay, stocks are possible. They are good because they are not as volatile the way gold is, and the way they move is a bit calm. They are more like indices sometimes. Hi, Monk Edits. How are you doing, man? I hope you're doing good, my brother. Mugabe has been in drawdown, but today helped you to recover. That is wonderful. That's good, man. And man, being in drawdown is tough, but when you get out of it slowly, it is possible. Yeah, it is possible to get out of any kind of drawdown that you have. So guys, make sure you trade good, you trade better. Can you manage 500? Like, what would be your target, bro? What would be the target for you? Send me a WhatsApp. My number is right there. I do manage accounts, but me, I'm not like aggressive, like we want to flip that. No, I manage it systematically because I don't want you to lose your money and then be like, oh, this guy is this what? No. But you can send me a WhatsApp with your query, then we can discuss. I saw your video, German to the World Cup. Hey man, you guys are seeing those videos, which is good. 50% profit in 1 month. Okay, you send the WhatsApp, the number is there. Those videos, you guys are seeing them. Monk edits. I'm glad you've seen Germany to the World Cup, but those videos are easy to make. Even you can make them and get followers like I've got. Yeah, I credit most of the subscribers and followers to those videos that I make. Thank you for liking them, man. You love the videos. That's wonderful. Hey. But I hope everyone is okay. I hope you guys are getting ready for the World Cup. The traders that are on the stream, I hope you're trading better. I hope you're like Mugabe, who is being able to come out of a drawdown. Man, drawdowns are very tough, but when you get out of them, it is the best thing. You can get out and even get profits. Steve FX Trader, how are you, man? How are you, Steve? Steve is on Facebook, or no, on YouTube. But I hope everyone is good. Do you train? Yes, KJ, I do train. And I give all my effort to the people that I train, you know. I do train. Even beginners, I have time for them. That is why you see me right here. I'm very tired. I even want to sleep. I'm extremely tired because I even want to sleep, but it is because I give most of the effort to the students. And you can ask me in the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp is right there on the chat. So come, let's, even if you don't want, you know, even if you just want to say hello, you can come say hello, then we can talk. If you want a phone call, we can do, then we can also chat. So my friends, come, go ahead and reach out to me. I've seen you guys. I cannot respond to you at the moment, but we shall talk, right? We shall talk. Today I've enjoyed trades. Anchored. Anchored has enjoyed. Me, I enjoyed a little one, just a little. I've enjoyed a little. Man, nowadays trading is good, but I don't trade that much. I take one setup, some days I don't take. Man, I'm like relaxing too much, but I'll get back into it and be aggressive. But guys, make sure you reach out to me in case you need anything. I offer a lot of services actually, because I do this full time. I sit on the chart, I observe, I analyze. Yesu Amala Furniture. Oh, okay. Yesu Amala Furniture is in the building. Is in the chat. How are you doing, my friend? You guys always have good stories. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. And we are here. Guys, make sure you like the stream, okay? Don't forget to like the stream. Monk Edits lives in Sweden. Oh, good to meet you, Monk Edits. You live in Sweden. Did Sweden qualify for the World Cup? I think it did, right? Alexander Isak. But the way we see gold, it is still dropping. No signs of it stopping. That is why the drops are much. Because now what we see right here, okay, what I think, it has retested this level here. That is the retest we see. And then it continues. Just like here, it retested also this level. It retested this one. Like that is how it moves. It drops, then retests, then drops and breaks through. Now it has broken through and retested. Now, yep, that is what I see, man. Victor Yokores. Hey, man, they have Isaac, they have Victor Yokores. Where do I live? Monk Edits is asking me where I live. I live in Africa, bro. Do you know where Africa is? These people in Sweden don't know where Africa is. Taha Ali is the best winger in Sweden. Are you sure? Who is this one? I've never heard of Taha Ali. Never heard of who Taha Ali is. The people in Sweden's team, I know there is Isak, Victor Gyökeres, then Victor Lindelof. Who else is in Sweden? I think that's all. Those are the people I know. Guys, make sure you like the stream. Don't forget, give us some likes. But yeah, the African Somali originally, but play Sweden this World Cup. Oh man, this World Cup is going to be very interesting. Monk Ali got a surgery in his nose. Okay, I hope you feel better, bro. I hope you have a quick recovery. You know, what happened to the nose? Were you playing football or something and then you broke your nose? Guys, we see the drop. It is continuing. Lucas Begval, our is in Sweden. Tottenham boy. I'm a Spurs fan. Jose, man, how could you be a Spurs fan, really? Man. Are you from London? Because if you're not from London, like where do you even start from supporting Spurs, bro? Ah, man, you people have problems. Anyway, you Spurs, even Spurs has fans actually. Do not undermine Spurs. Steven Gerrard, best footballer. Ah, man. Steven Gerrard retired already. Who is the best footballer at the moment? It's a long story, but I ended up there. And the problem, if you support a team, you cannot come out of it. That is the problem. Now, like me, I've been stuck with Manchester United for the longest time. Even if I try to come out, I can't. Was just going to pass, but heard you talk of Spurs fan. Who is that brother of mine? He's there. He's called Jose. The man is a Spurs fan. How could you? Man, you people can support. I'm in USD CHF by entry. DXY is strictly strong bullish. Okay, that is wonderful, bro. So our brother from Somalia is in USD CHF. To me, attracted to Lamine Yamal. Lamine is good actually. Jose, don't listen to this hater. We are Spurs. Eric Zavi. No wonder you are Eric. Eric's usually supports Spurs for sure. Actually, Amos, you see, we chose the best team. Guys, am I the only man in who never supports any football team? Yeah, it is only you, Israel. At least try supporting, those teams in your country. You go to the village and see, you support those ones who are playing to win a goat. Hi bro, I'm Ndaba on Pisoze Mukumukando. Hi bro, I'm Ndaba on Pisoze Mukukandos and their meaning. Candlesticks, it is a whole pattern, like you have to go through candlesticks and what they mean. First go and get the basics, right? Don Eli. Nsaba not indaba. Oh, osaba kuyisizaamu ku candles. Man, it is a whole session of candles. Naye kati ofunamu just eziri different, eh? Kati nga waliyo zi morning star abamu, actually you can call it what? Musumari. Actually, guys, I saw a video. Been a Spurs fan for more than 30 years. Come on, man. Do not lie. You started supporting Spurs when Harry Kane came. Israel Comics doesn't support football. So why do you enjoy any sport? Like, maybe you're just not a sports guy. Maybe you enjoy movies or anything. Or Formula One. There are people who support Formula One. The candle guys can go to YouTube. Yeah, actually, they are very good YouTube videos. You just go and put candlesticks on YouTube. You guys don't want to study. Why? When you go to YouTube, you want to see people dancing. We shall cane you. You have to diversify. The country only has two teams. That is true, somehow. There are only two teams that dominate. But then I found a Chelsea support. I'm like, these people who I support Chelsea. Man. Let him try downloading price action book. So my friend Don Ellie, they are giving you advice. So you can go to YouTube and start learning slowly candlesticks patterns. Then you can also, Mugabe is telling you download price action book. It will have candlesticks. Israel Comics is into music, cars, and movies. Yeah. Actually, for me, unfortunately, I'm not so much into movies. So I'll just watch a movies like sometimes. FMYP, how are you? How much can I start with? Naib you guys. How much can you start with to do what? To trade? Your questions are very interesting. They are very interesting questions. Share WhatsApp, I share for you the app. Download Candlestick Master from pdfdrive.com. It's a good guide for beginners. So he's asking how much does he need to trade? Market, it's thank you very much for checking us on the live stream. You don't need anything to trade. First learn the skill. Go and learn on a demo. Give yourself 3 weeks and lock in, then learn on a demo all a month. Then after you find like maybe 100, you try a little bit. Not to flip it, but to try and grow it. If you make 50, you go celebrate. That is the only way. Until you get bigger capital to start like real trading. But if you keep up the spirit of flipping, it is going to be difficult. How much can I start with? Alowooza trading eringa kusuubula. Eric, you should relax. The people who are starting, you should give them grace. Be nice to them. Don't over-attack them. You make them fear trading. Yet, it is for everybody to come and learn and be better. Someone I once met was saying trading is like betting. Yeah, a lot of people say that actually. A lot of people say that. But they don't know what it is. So you can't also be mad at them. Me, the people I don't get mad at anymore is someone who comes and speaks bad about trading. Because for me, you cannot affect me. However much you speak bad, me, I know what it is, so I don't really care. What strategy do I use? You can use, I use trend lines. That's what I use. People use demand and supply, support and resistance, smart money concepts, ICT. There are plenty of strategies a person can engage in. Price action. People use a lot. Me, I started with 300K. Okay, good for you. So how did it go, bro? The problem, you'll have to put in all the time, put in every time you lose. You thought supply and demand. Yeah, one strategy cannot be in. Like, you have to build something that is going to work for you as a person, right? You have to be able to build something that will work for you. Block it. We don't play block it anymore. I'm a girl. I took a lot of reading and analyzing. Oh, trading takes a lot, bro. Like, sometimes you don't have to sleep. You sit on the chart. So, like, for example, when the markets shut down, when the markets close, all go on a break, you go to payers, all BTC. You try and do that one. So it is a whole learning process. Gabs Swift, what is your strategy? Trend lines. Beth Louis, you found me again. Yes, man. I'm still here. Thank you for finding me, bro. Thank you for finding me, man. Breakouts, yes. Oh, we need you in log. Besides being a Spurs fan and a trader, guys, I'm also a web developer. Oh, that is nice. Develop for me a website. Trading is like all those other professional courses. You guys take years to learn, dedicate time. 100%, I agree with you. So someone is asking when will gold buy? It will not. Maybe we have to see some sort of reaction and then confirmation. That is when it will buy. But if because you cannot keep buying these other what corrections. That is like self what. Jonathan, how are you, man? I hope you're doing good. Why am I yawning so much today? Yet I'm full. I ate food. I ate good food. I even ate a snack of watermelon. Israel comics. Wow. You have to control yourself, Israel comics. I'll report you to Marlin. What is his name? I'm going to be a bad person forgetting Byron's name. ah, Israel comics. You have to control yourself, bro. You can wait for signals of Iran war, de-escalation. Oh, that's when gold will buy. Okay, we'll see. Israel comics, they're asking you how much did you start with? Monk Edits is back. I thought you had to go, bro. I thought you had to go. I'll have to report you to Byron, your friend, that you're misbehaving on this live stream. But thank you guys for coming and enjoying the live stream. Today is Wednesday. I was like, I have to see these guys. They are always fun. They make the live stream very, very good to be on. Mhm. You started with tuition. Man, if I knew trading back then, I would also put in my tuition. You guys have been holding gold XAU since NFP. I just can't imagine what I can buy. Good for you. Mm. Go and enjoy yourself, bro. That is wonderful. Jonathan, thank you for making this live stream, man. Nah, you guys are the best. You make the live stream a lot of fun, right? I even enjoy it more than you guys. You can you imagine? Hi, my friend. How are you? I also started with my tuition for senior four. No, that is not tuition. That is school fees. Tuition only applies to higher institutions of learning. Ah, Jonathan, I'm very happy that you're here. So now, you guys are calling it tuition. Now we shall see when nursery people saying, "Oh, I've not yet paid tuition in baby class." Now what is that? Things are going to lose value. Hmm? Someone is holding S&P 500, meaning next week payout. I have closed off partials. That is wonderful. Eric, I'm not, okay. Why do you use your real voice in the shorts? Why don't you use your real voice in the shorts? Which voice do you mean, bro? Legonsh region rank. Huh. About shorts, can you make Spain to World Cup? I think I made Spain. I'm going to make another one. Right now I'm here doing the live stream, so I cannot make the shorts. Gigi, I'm about Abu Falah. Shout out to you, man. You have the name of one of the very good footballers from, is it UAE or Qatar? Abu Falah. Oh, no, I've forgotten. Buy permanent asset cause. Guys, the comments are moving very fast, but cause the market will be there to return it if you don't use it. Okay. It was nice knowing you all. What is your name, fake one? First tell us your name. Gigi's man. Bro, hash in Slamed. Man, Israel Comics, what are you talking? What are you saying, bro? I'll do Morocco. Yeah, I'll do Morocco very soon, actually. I'll do Morocco after here. Gold disorganized me yesterday, but I managed to catch it big today. Oh, congratulations, man. Guys, make sure you join the WhatsApp group. Send me a WhatsApp. I'll add you to the WhatsApp group so that you can see how people are trading. Okay? Also me, how I trade. You can see, write it there. You can see it. But fake one, I'm waiting for your name. Do you have a name, please? Shout out to you guys for making the live stream very fun. You're putting your number there. No, my number is right there. You send me a message. The Great FX. You guys have very good names, actually. Wonderful names. The Great FX. I should also do something that is nice. But actually, I saw there is a trader, Jonathan. Thank you. I'll make Morocco. Do not worry about that. Morocco is a very dear country to me, so I'll make it. But there is a trader who was attacked by thieves, bro. That is terrible. That is terrible, man. Because you are trading and, man, it is very bad. I think Byron is the one who shared the video with me. Because we were talking about that trader. Because I remember I told you guys, like, refer some people who trade in Uganda. You guys, I think that you gave me Caliber FX. So I went on TikTok, I saw who Caliber was. But now I saw a video, the fellow got attacked, which is very, very bad. It is absurd, man. That is why, man, the problem with in Uganda, we have spirit of showing off. I don't think it is about that, showing off. I think it is, I don't even know. I cannot explain that. But everyone has to be careful, pray to God and just stay in your houses. But as a piece of advice, don't show money in your lives. Me, I don't have money, guys. I don't have money. Guys, let's not flex our faces on social media. That is true. But now we have to do live streams. We can do chart analysis, right? Uganda is a wild place. If you make some money, please stay humble. Greed leads to stealing. You guys have a lot of ideas you're sharing. Okay. Give us your opinions. Okay. Let everyone put their opinion. Let's not flex our faces on social media. I think social media is such a good tool. If a person uses it well, it can change your life, right? It really can change your life. But you also have to be careful with a lot of things, For example, you don't just meet people. You don't just meet random people. Oh, do you do this? I don't. Now you can find someone here. You can find someone, they use a profile picture of a slave queen, and then Israel Comics starts saying, goes to their inbox. I know you guys do those things. Huh? You see a slave queen commenting, I'm also a trader, what? And Israel Comics goes to their inbox and then starts talking. In the end, it ends in tears. You go there and the slave queen has beards like this. Ah, okay, well done, sir. I have also just secured my payout today. Good for you, man. Good for you if you secure the payout. That is wonderful. I met a guy, he was like, I'm a trader. He came to me, to my place, not was robbed while I'm away. Bro, you cannot meet people, It is impossible. Don't meet people. Abdallah, how are you, man? I hope you're doing good. I want to grow my channel. I don't know how to. Send me a WhatsApp. Maybe we can talk. You can pay me. I can help you. But my time is precious, right? What country around? We have people who failed in trading, so instead they end up still those who are making. Yeah, man, it's tough from Turkey. I did Turkey, I think. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I don't advise people to use prop farms. They are not your friends. Man, people are I would advise people to use prop farms actually. They are not your friends, but if you are able to get things out of prop farms, there is nothing better. I learned a lesson. I never all associate with strangers. That is true. That is very, very true. Because me, I have had, anyway, Shakaman. I've tried to understand this thing, but It is tough to understand. That's true. It is very tough. Uh, which PLRM? What do you mean? Josh. But guys, yes, that is the piece of advice. Even Israel Comics has given you advice. Don't. Just try your level best to do what? To stay low-key, you trade, and then become better and earn your money low-key, just like Israel Comics. Kyle Trades wants to grow his social media. I see that. I see that. I'll respond to you when I'm able to. Okay. But right now, let us first be patient a little bit. Guys, you can send me WhatsApp. Okay. Those that want to learn how to trade, if you're a beginner, I can work with you from the start of your journey until you become you are able to trade well. Because the thing is, if you start alone, it could take you years to learn and even be better. You learn this thing, you change, you learn. But for someone who has been there and has seen it, they'll be able to guide you. They'll tell you that this is how you should do it. Do not over risk the account. Do not do this. Especially for me, I'm pretty decent with prop firms. Even personal capital, I'm good. But you get what I'm saying. I promised I'll never reveal my face on social media. Now it's okay. You can reveal your face, true, because there is a lot of advantages that come with it. But I also understand your decision. I also understand your decision, bruh. It's risky, but it is okay. I have 8 months from now and I'm doing well because of my mentor. Genesis, that is good, man. That is wonderful. Because of the mentor, I think you are able to get direction, to get, to enter good trades and to become a better trader generally, which is good. Very, very good. Alina Itwe, how are you doing, my friend? I hope you're doing good, man. But we are here looking at gold. And we are asking, when is gold buying? It is not for now. And you're still learning many things. That is true. Learning never stops. But you should not overlearn. If you have a system that works well, first follow that and become better at it. And yeah, you'll be good to go. Man, I just see a graph, so I'm eager. You're very eager to learn. You just see a graph, so that is how everyone starts. You are like, what is this? What are these things? But you learn them. You first go to YouTube, you learn from a video. That's the problem. Most of you learn it in the wrong way. Most of you learn, trading in the wrong way. You want to excusez-moi. You want to learn, but you also want to get, like right now, you want to get supper to eat. So you go to the market, you're panicking, you're making wrong decisions, which is also tough. So make sure you don't make the wrong decisions on the charts. But guys, my WhatsApp is that one. You can send me a message in case you want to improve your trading, in case you want to get profits out of prop farm trading, you want to get payouts, you want to pass challenges, you want to ask about, trading. I'm your guy, okay? But I'm not your guy if you think, oh, this guy is nice. I want to, okay, we can be friends. Israel Comics borrowed money when he was a beginner. Man, borrowing money is tough. Like, what helps is if you have a job, you can easily trade, and the job also needs to be to give you some freedom of expression so that you can be able to trade as well as work. But borrowing money is very risky business. It is very, very risky. The only money you should be borrowing is, for example, if you have a mentor like me, and I say, okay, let me give you a proper account for you to trade. That is the good, money that you could borrow, but other ones are very tough. Mfitu Mukiza, Gaya, Innocent, how are you, bro? I hope you're doing good. I hope Innocent is doing good, man. The other name is kind of complicated, but I get you. There is a spirit in Forex. I analyze but can't wait for my entry. It has hurt me very well. I only have my funding pips account. I blew my real account with looking for gold buys. Yeah, man, trading is difficult. It is tough. It is just the psychology. You know, there was the mind of someone. hmm? Like, it is big. Like, you don't have to. There is even no way I can explain to my friend Mastery Pips. But first of all, you don't have to give up, and then you have to find a way to improve this that is happening, because most of you know what the problem is. You understand that this is my problem on the charts. I don't wait, right? It's very risky than trading itself. I want to see you one day, my big brother. You will see me. You will see me. Don't worry. You will see me. Innocent. I hope you're good. I've been holding buys early today. Buys in which pair? I should have taken those small profits. Man, those now buying in what? It is very risky at the moment, buying, if you know what I'm saying. Buying is risky because the market is selling. So you're going against it, bro. And do your level best not to go against the market. Go with it. Like, imagine someone sold, then they sell again, they sell. So try to go with the market wherever it is going. You go, you go with it. Will gold buy after a swipe, bro? Because it's about to swipe. Is it? Let us wait and see if it will. But from Kogi State, Nigeria, over here. Oh, you're from Nigeria. Shout out to my brother from Nigeria. Me, I'm from Lagos. Lagos, Nigeria. But sometimes I go to Dubai, then I go to the UK, Italy. I'm big. I'm big in Nigeria, actually. Why do people trade against the market trend? Because their strategy tells them so. Yeah, you must sharpen your skill. So what should I do to avoid closing trades early? I always close at 1 to 3, but my strategy gives 1 to 5. First, appreciate your 1 to 3s, bro. Those things. If, for example, on a 50K account, a 1 to 3, bro, you're too rich. First, master those 1 to 3s and avoid losing too much. This is free advice for you guys. You don't have to wait for 1 to 10s. If it gives you, you take it, but those happen rarely. Do you give out mentorship? Lucanio, my number is right there. I do mentor students. I do give mentorship. I'll stop making 15 minutes analysis, focus on the 1 to 4 hour. Oh, Eric is advising you. Oi, Michael. How are you? How are you, Michael? I hope you're doing good, man. So, guys, my WhatsApp number is there. Yes, I was saying my WhatsApp number is there. You guys can send me a WhatsApp. I'll put you in my groups. We shall interact. You'll even talk to me one on one. Beth, you phoned me for the third time. Yes, sir, I'm still here. I'm here very much. But you get the point, right? You follow the creator. You send me WhatsApp, whatever you want to talk about, especially trading. That is what I'm interested in most. Like, you can tell me, sir, I'm tired of making losses. Please, can you help me? Then we do that. I want to join your mentorship. There are even people who want to take the trades I take. Some people call it signals. I have all those things. Okay? You just let me know whenever you send me a message. Nice job, bro. Do not give up. You helping us. Alina Itwe, thank you very much. Thank you 100%. Please talk about funding pips. Can they pay me? And also the consistency rule on their account is not working for me. I can't make the most out of the market. Yeah, consistency rule, that means you're doing either a one step or an instant funded. They pay out, funding pips pays out. It does. But now it is hard. If you break their rules, they will not pay you out, bro. So you don't have to break any rule. If you break anything, forget the payout. But they are good. Funding Pips is one of the best prop firms at the moment. It's one of those, yeah. Convenient trade platform. What do you mean by convenient? You use MT5 to take your trades. What else is there to use? So tell me about how trading works. What is the starting capital? Like you just start by learning the skill. You can even start with zero. That is one thing you can start with. For example, if I get students who are what? Who are just starting, like they are beginners. Because they are beginners, intermediate, and experts in trading, right? For example, the ones that start with me, the beginners, I make sure they start with zero. By the time they invest their money into trading, they understand how it all works. They understand how it all works and how everything is going. So that is the advice I can give you. Ayub. Ayub, where are you from? Which country are you from? How oil are you in Forex? What do you mean, how oil am I? Bro, Ali Nightway, what are you saying, bro? Ted Watson, Andrew Ted Watson. How are you on YouTube? Just keep putting in the work. You will be better. Byron, you're back. Your friend was here and they were not seeing you. Israel Comics. He was narrating to us. Ayub is Ugandan. Okay, shout out to you. Ayub Bed, how are you doing? Alinaitwe, how old am I in trading? 5 years coming to 6. Help me to understand how to draw lines in the analysis making. Diplomatic, what do you mean, how to draw lines? These lines that you see, you have to learn a strategy. That is why the strategy will help you draw lines. You were here, over you're still the other side you told us you were. What is my strategy? I do trend lines. I do trend lines, guys. But how is your Wednesday? It is 9 o'clock East African Standard Time. I hope you guys are doing good on this beautiful, beautiful Wednesday night. You love trend lines too. That is good. It was yesterday. You're back in town. Okay. That is wonderful, bro. That is good. Welcome back to town. Jasmine, thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. By the way, you guys should give me gifts. Even if I don't ask for them, you can be like, okay, let me give this guy a gift. But no worries. Okay, Wednesday. I hope you... So we were talking about the video you sent me, Byron, of Caliber FX, man. It's very sad. It is very sad, you know, that there are people who, man, it was a sad one. But we talked about it before you came in. But I use Android phone at the moment. Yeah, Android phone is good. It is better than iPhone. But you guys like iPhones very much. How long can I stay in the learning phase? It depends on the amount of effort that you put in, bruh. But it doesn't have to be too long. Because if you keep learning forever, it's terrible. Explain a bit of your strategy in these trades kindly. You join my mentorship. I'll even trade with you. We shall be together. Thank you for your positive vibe. Jasmine Green. Thank you to my friend. I appreciate you for being... Actually, you guys have the positive vibe of the live stream. You have the positive vibe. Help me about sessions in East African time. Guys, if you want sessions, you can even just go and put this indicator for sessions. Why do you bother yourselves? You can just type sessions. Boom. And there we go. We have sessions on the chart. Now we are in New York session. There you see, it shows you this is the New York session. It started here and it is continuing. Here we have the London session right here. You see New York of Tuesday was this one. So you don't have to bother yourselves that much. Bro, I'm using 0.3 risk per trade and targeting 1 to 3. Things are going really slow. What's your advice, bro? What is your account size, bro? I need to know the account size and also see how I can advise you a little bit. I want to trade with... I will hit you WhatsApp DM, please. I really want to learn how to wait for analysis. Yeah, you have to wait for the analysis, bro. Otherwise, you'll mess up. Traders should be careful. Yes, man, Byron. Traders have to be careful. Not even just traders, even people who are, you know, just normal people. Because you can find a person who is not a trader working and they did something to them. So if you can, you know, stay home, stay home. Do always have to be online when trading? No, you don't always. Yeah, you have to have internet. If you don't have internet, there is no way you can access the markets. I'm new in trading. When do you always do TikTok lives? I do 8 o'clock East African Standard Time. Do you know Spencer? You talk and look like him, man. Who is Spencer? First tell me who Spencer is. I've never heard of who that one is. But shout out to everybody that is on this live stream. This is the live stream for amazing people. You guys are amazing. The traders, you are going to be very profitable. The ones beginning, it will not take you too long to become profitable. Because if you can sit, you know, in your chair like this and make some profits, life will be good. How do you differentiate the time zones like London session? It is right here because now London begins at what? 10 a.m.? Is it 10 or 11? One of those two. So you know. And New York starts at maybe 4. Like, you know these things. So you have to improve, man. The account size is 25K. Okay. 0.3 is not bad, you know. What do you mean things are slow? Because 25K and 0.3, It's not bad at all. It's not a bad lot, but maybe divide those into two, like divide, make use 0.15 maybe and enter two positions. Maybe you'll feel like things are a bit faster. But they become slow if you like make a profit, then you make a loss, then you make, and if you're targeting 1 to 2s, 1 to 3, that account should be passed, in no time. Although the market has been very unstable, so you also have to be patient, my friend. Be patient. I know sometimes you want to pass an account, but it takes longer. Be patient and try your level best. Joining WhatsApp, is there any change? How much can I start with to buy bits on Binance, Bitcoin, on crypto? You can start with any money. You don't have to buy, too much. Okay. Do you know Spencer? You talk and look. Okay. I don't know Spencer, bro. Chill, relax. Diplomatic, you can go for mentorship from Joseph. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Byron, for guys. Come for mentorship. My WhatsApp number is there. Maybe you guys don't see it well. I could even make it bigger for you so that I get, okay, guys, send me a WhatsApp so that, what the heck is going on? Guys, the WhatsApp number is there. It is even bigger now. Send me a WhatsApp, then we can talk. Anyway, but you don't have to if you don't want, okay? If you want, you send me. If you do not want, you do not send. How about FTMO? What is FTMO? I don't know what that is. Hey, guys, you send me a WhatsApp. I'll respond to you guys. Now, I need people to view my stories when I post. Okay? I need people to view my stories when I post. Like you see. I need like 100 people to view my story. I'll be very happy when you do that. Is there any solution to market manipulation by brokers? You have to stick with a good broker, man, who will not manipulate you. But they do that. A lot of brokers do it. So you have to have a very good broker. Chosen the genius, how are you? So talk about of equity founded account. What do you mean by equity founded account? I don't know what that is. Maybe the people in the comment section can help us. Chosen the genius, you're very smart. Tell us what equity founded account is. Meaning it's a full-time work you need always on the internet. I thought it is a hassle. No, like you need internet, bruh. Everything. It is like, can you be on TikTok when you don't have internet? That is the same question. Chosen the genius messed up his account because of XAUUSD. Sorry, my friend, but tomorrow we rise up. Go dust yourself off, and tomorrow we rise up. Is it only me or everyone else finds it wrong that someone runs an advert in another person's life? Yeah, I'm trying to mute those people. I'm trying my level best to mute. But man, but even us people who are doing live streams are just lucky. Like, we are not anything special. We are not anything special. It is just, that me, I'm bold and I got a few followers. So I became a bit bold and decided to put my face on here. But it is wrong. It is absolutely wrong. Chosen the genius is a lady. There is no way. Are you sure? Even me, I thought you were a boy. But uh, so now what is going to happen? Chosen the genius has told us the lady. Now who Byron is going to send them an inbox. They are going to go in the inbox. Then they will go to see Chosen the genius. When Chosen the genius has beards like mine. Man. ah, Emma Trades is also here. Oh, shout out to Emma Trades. Is he like good at trading? You know, whoever Byron tells me that my mentors here, I check on them. I could even have seen this. Okay, I've seen this person. I think they have a YouTube channel. They have a YouTube channel. I think I've seen Emma Trades. So, mm. you you may go to Chosen the genius. I'm telling you, Byron is going to send them in their inbox. He goes there when Chosen the genius, his arm is like this with a lot of veins. I'm telling you. So be careful with the people you meet on the live streams. Okay, just don't overdo it. Relax, guys. Those of you that want girlfriends, you will get. We are not in a rush. We are not in a rush, guys. Ah, good evening. What is okay? The comments are now becoming to me. What is the stop loss plus reversal target? I don't know. What has your strategy told you? Because also that has to be very important. Give me a seat. I say hi. Oh, you chosen the genius wants to say hi. Let me see. Have you requested multi guest? Let me see if you have requested. You say hi. No one has requested. You request, I'll give you, so that you say hi to people. Emma Trades killed NFP. Oh, that is good. Which country are you from? I'm Ugandan, bro. Someone is on YouTube, but I'm not seeing what you are showing us. Like your WhatsApp number, like my WhatsApp number. Oh, my WhatsApp number is on TikTok. Like TikTok, they have a better view because I'm using TikTok Studio to stream this. So the people on YouTube are struggling. They see only my face, but the ones on TikTok, yeah. Chosen the genius has sent a request. What time frame are you on? I'm on 15 minutes. Okay. Let me see. Okay. I've accepted. You can say hi.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm all right. How is you? Thank you very much.
Byron is excited.
I'm a lady, I'm not a man.
Okay. They have proved now that you're a lady. But are you sure you haven't given a lady near you to talk? Maybe you've given your sister to speak to the live stream.
Not really, I'm here on.
Okay, so are you a trader?
Yeah, exactly. Though I've just started it. I'm a newbie in it.
Okay. Emma Trades is fighting. Also, Byron is the mentor is fighting with the student for you. Emma Trades is
Look
there.
at that one.
You can add Emma Trades and he mentors you. He's good actually. I've seen their YouTube.
It's all right anyway. Thank you. Have a blessed night.
Thank you for saying hi too. Okay, guys, you've heard. You've heard for yourselves. It's not a man. Byron, I'm waiting for your comment. I don't see what you're commenting. Maybe you're busy in the inbox. You people, you people. But shout out to everybody. Chosen should be mentored by me. Me, I'm almost full, guys. I'm almost full. Byron was busy in their inbox. I was waiting for his comment. I was not seeing anything. But you guys, you've seen. Chosen the genius is not a man. You guys were saying maybe it is someone who is riding a border. You've heard. It's a nice lady. She's good. Man boy is even laughing. He can't stop smiling. You guys, I'm telling you. ah. What? This life is not easy. Now you people have even confused me. I don't know what to say on this live stream anymore. When a female falls into the equation, all chats become bullish. Let me even drink some water because so who has won? Emma or Byron? Who is winning? We should vote the mentor or the student. Should the mentor, who is Emma Trades, take this one, or Byron, who is the student? Who is going to mentor Chosen the genius? What you guys? Today's live stream. Omukwata mpola atuuka wala. As a swing trader. You traders are very funny people. Before Emma Trades, you surrender. Russell also wants to be fought for. Man, Russell, you relax. First of all, we have to ask, are you a man or a lady? Because nowadays, people have to be careful. Maybe Israel Comics should also come back because, what? But seriously, you guys, I understand. Trading is tough. Some of you are very young people. You don't have girlfriends. You should relax. First, make the profits. Go to Emma Trades during NFP and you make some profits. You give someone. Let them show us their last 3 trades. Whoever has more wins, mentors her. Fewetuli. Man, this is serious. This is a serious debate. But Emma Trades has just killed NFP. So you might have a smiling bank balance. You could have a better bank balance than our friend Byron. But for me, I'm for Byron all the way. Me, I'm supporting Byron in this battle. Who is joining me to support Byron? Your Iran trade was better than NFP. Ah man, you guys are doing good. That is wonderful. That is really good, man. Ah, mulina olwali lungi. What are the colors representing? Which colors do you mean? Are these colors okay? The colors on the chart, they were representing sessions. New York, London, Asian session. Sydney also, but rarely people trade it. But we can remove them. I was just showing someone how to find out sessions easily. So that is what I was talking about. Zavi. Go think Byron is an OG of the stream. Byron is an OG. Kati, if we don't support our very own OG, Byron. The man even said to me, you guy. Kati, now you guys want the mentor. You want Emma Trades. By the way, guys, be nice to Emma Trades. You could go there and they mentor you. So, Ovena Mukamori. Man. Today it is Byron who brought you. Byron Ilero Yakule. It is Byron who brought you on the live stream. But thank you for being here, actually. I think, to be sincerely, I think I've seen your YouTube. There is a YouTube where you guys were doing probably a podcast. It is what I've seen for you guys, a podcast probably. I don't remember the channel, but I've seen you. I've seen the car face. So when I do this, let me even follow you. I've seen your face one more. You could be different. I can't so one. Yeah, I think I've seen you. Oh, is that power? Power is going off. You do podcasts and live streams too. Okay, that is wonderful. But Byron is also here. He's an OG. But I've also seen some traders actually on live streams. Sometimes when I'm not on this live, I scroll. There's live streams. I see traders in Uganda. People are doing amazing stuff. I've also seen there is this podcast here. I forget the names, but I was trying to remember, but I've forgotten. Emma Trades is always undercover and monitoring us to keep us in check. Oh, he's like the big people in Uganda. Okay, that is good. I'm a Sanyalaze Negagenda, but I have enjoyed this live. I think I should apply for the mentorship. Come. It is even more fun there. But even if you don't apply for the mentorship, you can have me as a friend. We can talk. I can see your statuses. Something like that, I would love streaming my trading sessions. Man boy, you should start. By the way, guys, if you should do content, because a lot of you guys are young. Some of you get someone, VAC, senior 6 VAC. Imagine you start doing YouTube, all TikTok, all content creation at a young age. By the time you're my age, you'll be very far, right? So you should start. I encourage a lot of people to start. You could be younger than me, you could be older than me. You should start something. It is not going to be easy. You're going to start, then your grandmother is going to be the only one watching. Because even grandmothers have TikTok nowadays. I go to those villages to do charity, and you find a grandmother screaming. Which song is this? This one. Simanyo vanavonda vachenvu. Man. I see the grandmother enjoying. I'm like, then there is this one. There is this one that is trending right now, where Kasuku is saying, I don't remember what he was saying, but yeah. Okay. Emma Trades. By the way, Applauser was here late time among the users. Last time. Oh, who was that? By the way, guys, if we see any famous trader on here, I want to know them. I want to see them. Even if they are in Kamol, you go and look for them. They will come. I'll even bring them for you here, and they will say something to you. But Syria, what app? Okay, the light music. What app did you use? What do you mean? This one right here on the screen. This is am I still live? Or my internet is on, yes. Emma is the president of Trading Association. By the way, you guys should make an association so that they give you money. And because they are giving people money, you should make an association. They give you money. Those people, Emma, you have a group of traders around there in Kampala. You should do an association so that they give you money. You go there in the state house. You say you are traders. Then you buy for all these people prop farm accounts. Hey, that is Kati, some of us are now old. We don't want those things, right? But you guys who are young, you can do those things. You tried in 2024 and the instigator ran to Dubai. That is the problem. You people, why do you love Dubai? That anyway, the only advantage Dubai has, it is very safe there. Dubai is safe. You can make your money, you go enjoy your money, even if it is 2 a.m., you're out there walking on the street, you're fine. That is one thing Dubai has, right? But UG is so good. Right now, I'm from eating a watermelon casoli. I'm like, yes, sir. What app did you use to trading? I use MetaTrader 5 and TradingView to do analysis. The bright music. If you wanted to mean the bright music, but that is what I use. Chikomando. Actually, I even eat Chikomando because it is what we do here. It is our culture. I eat. There is this one. They make for me Chikomando with Rolex Chikomando. Wait. I eat Rolex with Chikomando, like Rolex, and then they put beans. I'm like, okay. How do I join your live on TikTok? I use the same names. YouTube, TikTok, I use the same names. Joseph Katumba. Those are my names. And that is my number on there. I've made it bigger for you guys, but I don't know. Are you guys sending me WhatsApps or? I would love to have you on my WhatsApp so that I can see your statuses. Hey, I want to see people who are killing NFP. I want to see, just go for mentorship from Joseph and tutoring from Emma Trades. Man, Byron. Chosen the genius is an OG of the stream, but it should be up between you guys. Taxes are good, yes. By the way, those of you that are trading prop farms, you'll need to pay, some sort of taxes so that you are able to do what? To verify your KYC. Man, you post the Bible verses more. I want to see your statuses when you have like, you be like these guys that I see on TikTok who are saying NFP 1 minute, 1 minute, 2 seconds. I want to see like those things because those I actually really enjoy watching such content. That is how Emma Trades does, because they have a group of people, then they have a TV, right? They have a big TV. And they are like, NFP, 2 minutes. Yes, full pot. Oh, Jimmy Lee wants to know how to start trading. No need stop loss. Actually, chosen the genius. What is your real name? We didn't get your real name actually. Hmm? Ever Trades doesn't do it. I'm accusing him for no reason, for nothing. Oh, he enters 15 minutes before, I see. That's a good move, and putting a stop loss. If it takes you out, it does. If it doesn't, you enjoy. So, Byron, you see how I'm giving you passes. I'm making for you assists. You're Bruno Fernandez. You don't want. Chosen the genius is Esther. Ah, Byron, I'm your Bruno Fernandez this time. Eh? I'm providing very clean KDB. But the KDB, like 2 years before he left, he was too dangerous. But I don't know either if Byron is like Haaland or he's like Morata. Eh? I might make my clean assists, and the man just quails us in front of goal. Ah, by the way, that video, as a mentor, I also talked about it here. As a man, why do you use a stop loss? Well, I was like, do you know, when I saw that video, I said, I saw the title, I said, okay, I'm just going to leave this one for Byron. He will watch that. Ah, I said, let Byron, all the people on this live stream, this live stream will watch, that video of as a trader, as a man. Why do you use a stop loss? I was like, okay, this one is not for us old people. It is for the young ones. What are the key factors to start trading? Of course, you have to learn. Like, first go and learn the basics. You learn the basics, how to put in a trade. Like, oh, that is the whole journey right there. Then after learning those things, okay, now you know. Now, okay, let me see what strategy am I going to start adopting. Ayub, now I'm talking to you. Where are you based in UG, Ayub? Are you in Gulu? Are you in Kitgum? Are you in Kampala? Are you in Jinja? But yeah, that is where you can start. So, man, this live stream is becoming very, very interesting. What's one-step click mode? What do you mean? Oh, he's in Mbali. Okay. Mbali is a very interesting place, actually. I've been to Mbali several times. Man, I've traveled this Uganda. I've been to Mbale, Kapchora, Soroti, Tororo, Abim, Moroto. I've been to Gulu. Man, I've traveled Uganda. You guys, man, I will donate 500. You'll donate 500 to who? To me. Donate 500. I'll be glad. Uganda is very beautiful. It is actually, especially if you go to places. You haven't been to my offices, you should visit. Oh, you have offices? Okay. Where are they located? I also have a neighbor who is a very good trader, actually. He's very successful. And he has traded 10 years. I'm like, yes, sir. Ah, Lumumba Avenue, Rumi Building. Okay. First do an interview on Byron. I want to watch Byron's interview on YouTube. Ah, man, Emma, people are asking you, but then between FundedNext and Funding Pips, which is good. They are both good. They are the same, but Funding Pips is a bit affordable compared to FundedNext. Yeah. So if you are short on money, it's best you go in for Funding Pips than FundedNext. Chosen has already chosen our village mate. Just watched one of your shots, guys. Thank you very much. Those that are watching the shots, I appreciate ya. You prefer FundedNext? Okay. They are almost similar. For me, that is what I think. But FundedNext is also very good. It is decent. Add the FX Pesa office. Emma Trades FX Pesa office. Byron fears the camera. Man, that Byron guy, he must be a very important son of someone. Maybe he's the son of a very important person. Because Byron sent me voice notes, and I was like, is Byron from the UK? What is going on here? Yet he's a man from Katwe here. You rather run to good on foot than being on camera. Man, you guy, why not? Oh, he has Gamba. No, he could even be a first son, man. Guy is there on his TikTok inside the house. Man. Byron is a planned kid. That is true. I talked to him yesterday on live stream. But he's planned, but not very planned. Not too much planned. But he's the most planned on this live stream, right? He's the most planned on this live stream. But now people like his mentor, Emma Trades. Emma is from UPE. He knows that. But Byron, right. You people. Zavi, where are you going? I have to go back to being a father. Let's meet here tomorrow. Man. Emma is a motto I want to see. That is true. Zavi, you go and take care of our kids, man. How many kids do you have? Like one or two? Emma is a motto I want to see like me. And Zavi, thank you very much for being here, man. It is always wonderful to be here and chat, and relax a little bit. Those who have made the profits, relaxing with those who have made the losses, it is all good. Exeba, how are you, man? I hope you're doing good. Arsenal, hello, brother. I hope you guys on YouTube are doing amazing. I do the live stream both on YouTube and TikTok, but TikTok is mainly where the vibe is. We get a lot of people that join. Thanks for joining. Ari. Wow. Today is Wednesday, and tomorrow is Thursday. Byron, you should go and hunt, man. Don't ask for Emma his profits. The man was very good with NFP, and he has told us he even made double when Iran announced something. So maybe we shall see you in Dubai. Like there is that other trader in Uganda who is in Dubai. John, how I man. John, how have you been? Hmm? Are you good? I hope you're good, John. Byron is negotiating. He wants to go. Byron, you go and accept making an interview, and they will, Emma Trades will share his profits. So you just go and accept. He's always flying to Dubai, but this time he will go and stay there for good. John is good, though hospital work is taking me. Just waiting for payout tomorrow, man. Man, John, you've been racking up payouts. I remember you those days when you would be like, now this one has done this. How can I? Man, I remember when John used to cry, but now he's enjoying his payouts. 1,100, 1,000, what? I'm like, man, John is enjoying. But I'm very proud of you, man. I remember those days you even used to share. You used to share your trades in Telegram. Uh, Organize a meetup for traders. You have Emma Trades. Emma has an office. You guys should go meet there. Eh? Me, I might organize. I only find, hmm? I go and attend. Only me and my woman are there. But now you have Emma Trades. He should organize an event for you guys. Huh. John, the thing is life changing, man. I'm very proud of you. Yeah, you're doing an amazing job. You just have to keep on the rhythm going. And do not overspend it, right? Mm. Put something out because you might be like, oh, let me leave the hospital. No, stay there. We need people to treat us when we fall sick. Now it becomes more like passion, right? Becomes more like passion than but if you're making payouts, that is good. Keep the momentum. uh, I'll also attend. We'll be three. Man, boy, for you I can't trust you, bro. You might, I might say, okay, let us organize something. I say, okay, I'll calculate. I say, okay, if 5 people come, it will be very successful. But I go there, I wait. Man, Ugandans are not easy. But we can all attend Emma Trades' events when he does. Do you give signals? Send me a WhatsApp. We can talk. Send me, my number is right there. I made it big for you guys to WhatsApp me. And I've not seen any messages of you people. Eh? Eh. Emma always does, and we come and make noise. So Byron also attends. I've actually seen one event. I've seen an event on BlockFi. I think that it is called BlockFi. BlockFi, eh? BlockFi. There are traders who went there and met. Which prop farms will you recommend? FTMO, FundedNext, Funding Pips. Those ones are good. What's your review about the 2.5K Funding Pips account? I've seen they have a 2.5K. I don't know, bro. I've not put a lot of thought on it yet. But I'm going to try and go through it and see what it requires. But man, Funding Pips is trying to be innovative. It wants to take all the clients. Henry also organized one. Who is Henry? You have to teach us who these people are. Now, like Emma Trades, you told me Emma Trades is here. I saw the photo and I had seen him before on YouTube. You know, social media is very powerful, guys. It is very, very powerful. What is the document that needed to open a real account? I think you need your national ID or something. You mean on a broker or a prop firm? They are instant funded. They have 2.5K. Same rules. Just cheaper. But now what, man, 2.5, how much is it? Like $5? What is going on there? It's not instant, eh? BlockFi Africa. Yeah, I've seen those guys. I think they have a YouTube channel. FTMO, we shall stick to FTMO. FTMO is good, guys. It is a very good prop firm. It's the best, actually. But also because sometimes FTMO is too expensive, because we have to think of Omuntu you know, someone who has $100. Now, instead of buying FTMO 5K, you can buy, you know, 15K somewhere else. And FTMO doesn't even have 5K actually. Or does it? I don't remember. But a 50K account is enough for you. You ask John. John is a doctor and he's a trader. It is for making money for pancakes, eh? That is true. But now, is it the two-step? Because, man, now a 2 point, bro. There is even nothing I can say about that account. Maybe they are making it for us, we Africans who are broke. I'm done putting ID and tech first, but now it requires bank statement. What is statement? The bank statement, you request it from the bank. If you have a bank app, you can go and download the statement yourself, or you go and ask it from your bank. Okay? Arsenal, how are you? You request it from your bank. Or someone said, I think he has gone. John has been here. He was telling me about URA stuff, right? Like you pay a tax, maybe something, then they give you a receipt from URA. Then you use that to verify your, how is it called? Your KYC. Proof of residence. Is copy trading do well? I don't know. I don't know if it does well, copy trading. I've not tried it, but I know a bunch of people have tried it in the comment section. In the comment section, risking 250, that's like 2.5 per trade. On a I think on a 2.5K, that means 250 is your maximum loss limit, right? It cannot work out. Yeah, that is true, man. I've traded 50Ks and 100Ks, and I've traded 10Ks and 5Ks, but bro, the ones with small accounts, it is just money for prop firms. That I can agree with that in a certain way. I could agree with that because I've traded both. The same, the 50Ks and above, you don't even struggle as much as you struggle on these smaller ones. It never does work out for long. Those small accounts kill traders. They are just there for the other people to earn. For the ones who are trading the bigger accounts. I have seen people using bots in trading. Are they effective for really? Bots can work, but it also depends on which bot. They can, but sometimes you're just wasting your money with the bots. I have to be careful. I don't want to kill Emma Trades' market also. He might be younger, he does bots. So me, I can be here and say, bots are bad, don't do this. And Emma Trades starts crying. He says, I'll never come back to this live stream. So I think they do work sometimes, but you have to be careful. Sometimes most of them don't. They should try futures prop farms. Futures are good. They are good for people who have time on the chart. Me, I've done futures and they are good. You don't do bots even as a software engineer, but I know the downsides. Okay, bro is a software engineer. Byron, for you, what are you? First tell us. So we have a software engineer. We have me who is a therapist. You know, I was also supposed to be an engineer, but I ended up in therapy. So if you are okay, so they can work. They can, but you can't trust anyone's bot. For me, I have mine, and they worked and lost both. They did both, so I can even show you. They are on this computer, but I'm testing them. Man boy is a software engineer too. Man boy, relax. Don't. Now everyone is saying they're a software engineer. Hmm? Even Chosen might come and say I'm a software engineer. Come on, guys. No, it is. We are serious. Hmm? Don't let not everyone should say they are software engineers. Just arrived. Which pair are you trading? This is gold, bro. It is gold. You're serious. Okay, we have three software engineers. You guys should. Why don't you change this country? Hmm? You should be there. You should be there working in IT, but you're here using stop loss of 0.01 lot size. But this is life. Hey, man, boy, also okay. You use them for analysis. You so you're using AI. Ah, someone saying someone is the problem. What do you mean someone is the problem? There is no problem. You guys should do what? Make a team of software engineers who are traders, and make this country better, even for us traders. Now, for me, at least, but I've not seen anybody who is in my field of line. Anybody that has done therapy, that, guidance and counseling to get the money the markets pay me, I'll need like 5 years experience in Uganda. That is very true. And you're right. But but because you're not trading too much, at least try to like create something, create an app that is going to revolutionize the country. Do something anyway. I've seen you guys trying to do. You're letting other people do those things. Like I've seen someone is doing an app, an AI that gives signals. Man, Chosen, thank you very much for being here. We appreciate you. We also have a few minutes to continue with our live stream, and it is going to end soon. You've been coding one for yourself. That is good, man. You don't have to stop. Like, you can trade. Okay, Emma, I want to ask you an honest question from you. Hmm? because I've had a lot of people asking me this question. My name is Joseph, and I've just finished Senior 6 VAC. I've just finished Senior 6, and I'm starting to trade. I want to lock in into trading, and I don't want to go to university because I want to lock in into trading. Can you advise me? Okay, go ahead. Guys, advise me. I've put up a scenario for you. I want genuine advice for such a person. I'm in Senior 6 VAC. I don't want to go to university. I want to do what? To trade. I want to put all my effort in trading. A scenario for Emma to advise all of us. Okay, Emma has put they need to study. I personally did school, a job, and was learning trading at the same time. Thank you. Thank you very much. Because I've also had such people, such young people. And they come to me, I'm like, I don't want to go to university. I want to lock in. Like, I'm like, bro, I'll slap you. Go to campus. Go study. You can do both, right? You can do both. You can study as you trade. But I'll be going for lectures. I'm like, come on, man. Yes, they should. Okay, now we are talking. You guys, you guys are well educated because I thought I'm going to get people who are going to be like, let him quit. Man, you guys. Locking in is an illusion sold to them by cost sellers on YouTube. That is true. But because people come, me, I quit. I left to trade. I'm like, bro, man. First, tell me about consistency rule. I'm trapped on got funded. Consistency rule. For example, what account size do you have? Let us say you have 10K and you have to make a profit of, you know, let us say profit of what? 1,000. So they tell you the consistency rule. You have to make 25. It is 25% of the account. So you don't have to make more than 250. I'm just giving you a scenario. So all these days you have to make an amount that doesn't go above this amount. Because if you go above the 250, let us say you make 300. That means for those days you have to make 300, right? That is the easiest way I can explain it to you, my friend. But even people in the comment section can add on that because this is not a one-man army. You just have to know how much to risk because for sure, yeah, you're telling him when you're trading, you can do a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5. Some people wait. So the profits you have to make do not have to over exceed. For example, if it is 50%, right? Consistency rule. That means you can make 500, for 2 days, right? So it is all about limiting your profits. That is where the consistency rule applies. Consistency profits, yes. You have to be consistent with your profits. That's the explanation of a consistency rule. Let him stick to 1 to 2, 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. Man, you have a lot of professors in the chat here. That is why I don't even want to end the stream. We have Manboy, we have Byron, we have Emma Trades. They are giving you information that, you will not get anywhere else. What is your best prop farm? FTMO is the best for me so far. Guys, if you have not yet followed the creator, what are you doing? And also, if you want to improve, you send me a WhatsApp. 100K, and the consistency rule is 15%. Yeah, they can advise you. Why FTMO? I think it has been the easiest for me to trade. It has given me the most payouts, and sometime I even entered into their prime status. Bro, why is electricity flickering? So yeah, those are the reasons. But guys, thank you very much for being on this live stream. I appreciate you. It can be trusted. FTMO is good. It is the standard where all your favorite prop firms copy. And I don't even say that lightly. It is the standard where all your favorites, go, and it is like the textbook. I've not mentioned about the bots I'm testing. They are mine, yeah. I'm testing them on demos. Before I put money in there, you put like lose 1,000, then it trades it, took it like to 3, then you remove some, then you leave there, then it blows it. So yeah, but it is still a process. Does it have an app or only a website? FTMO, I think, only has a website. But why do you need apps, man? Like, oh, because maybe the FTMO is only a website. Is gold coming up again? It is not showing any sign. David, it hasn't shown us anything that it is going to come. You should check out Alpha Prime. Alpha Prime or Alpha Capital. There is Alpha Capital, then is it Prime? Those are all prop firms. Longest in the prop firm space and balanced drawdown. Yeah, that is true, man. That is absolutely right. Alpha Prime is for futures. Yes, true. But also FundedNext has futures. There is Top Step. Also Atlas, or maybe Atlas that has futures. There is something like that. But the fundamentals are asking for sales. Alpha Prime is the prime status for Alpha Capital Group. Yes, Alpha Futures. No, the Alpha is also called Alpha Futures, actually. I've remembered that. It is even green. So, Alpha Capital also has prime status. What are the benefits for prime status for Alpha Capital? Man boy, educate us. What are the benefits? Because for me, I was in the prime status for FTMO back then. But now I'm not there anymore. So I was there. They give you an account, a free account, similar to the one you had before. That one they give you. If you had 100K, they give you another 100K. If you had a 50K, they give you a 50K. Then they start giving you discounts, right? On every purchase that you make. On all the purchases you make, you have very good discounts, not the normal prices these people are paying. So it is a very good status to be in. Guys, like the stream so that we get to 5K. 5K is enough for tonight. You guys should have not liked too much. they encourage you to buy more. But you know, so it is best now for what I saw. Now you pause that one a little bit, then you pass these other challenges. Because what I observed, if you lose that account, the mother account, that means your prime status also goes away. If I want a 1K account from FTMO, how much do I need to deposit? FTMO doesn't have 1K accounts. It starts from probably 10K. FTMO could be having 10, then 25, then 50K accounts. Over time, they later upgrade you to live capital. Okanya, how are you? Okanya John. Okanya John, I hope you're good, man. And what else about those accounts you've mentioned? Bro, you have to go through a whole process of learning, because you can't just go into prop farms. They have rules, they have things you have to follow. You can't just jump in, because if you wanted a 1K from FTMO, that means you don't know about prop farms that much. So we have to take you through a full course of learning prop farm trading. But anyway, guys, I see even my network is becoming poor, so I'm going to say bye. My network is becoming very bad. My network is becoming bad, so I'll need to say bye to you guys, okay? So thank you very much. What do they mean when they say minimum trading days, 3 or 4? So in those 3 days, you have to make a profit on that account. That means, for example, if I have a 10K account, right? Can you guys hear me, or I'm talking to myself? I guess I'm talking to myself. Okay, you can hear me. So the 3 days mean you have to make a profit for those 3 days. For example, you get a 10K account and your profit target is 1,000. Then the first day you come and trade and make 1,000. That means you have 2 days left. You have to make a profit for these 2 days also. But a person can come, he makes 500, then 250, and also 250. That means they have hit the 3 days and they have made the profit target. So for you, you come, you make in 1 day, you make 1,000. You have hit the profit target, but you have not hit the 3 days. So these 2 days, you also have to make a profit. Okay? Yes, sir. The volume is low. But anyway, guys, we are done. We are done with the live stream, man. Thank you very much for today. It has been wonderful. Emma Trades, thank you for gracing us with your presence. Thank you for gracing us with your presence. Byron, thank you very much for coming and also introducing Emma Trades to the chat. Man Boy, thank you very much for being here in the chat today. I'm going to go because I think the network is bad and it is terrible. But definitely thank you to everyone. Have a good night. Have a blessed night. And I wish you well trading tomorrow. What are the best pairs to trade? Depends on a person. But if you're starting, you start with currency pairs. All indices, one of those, you'll be good to go. Anyway, thank you very much. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next stream whenever we come. Peace out. Bye.